The key fob not detected error in your 2016 FIAT 500X means the car isn't recognizing your key fob for keyless entry or ignition. This is often due to a dead or weak CR2032 battery inside the fob, the most common culprit. Other causes include a corroded or disconnected antenna, usually in the rear window or door frame, that's blocking the signal, or a proximity sensor, Prox, needing a reset. Bottom line, your car's immobilizer system, which uses radio frequency RF signals, isn't communicating properly with the fob. We'll address these issues directly to get you back on the road. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery in your key fob. Make sure to align the positive and negative terminals correctly to avoid damage. If the battery doesn't fix it, check the antenna wiring for breaks or corrosion. Use a multimeter to test continuity on the connections. Try a proximity reset. Cycle the ignition key from off to on, then back to off. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 10 seconds. Use the vehicle's menu system to relearn the key fob. Access the settings and follow the prompts to pair the fob with the car. If issues persist, reprogram the fob at a FIAT dealership or use an aftermarket diagnostic tool to resync the fob's ID with the car's computer.